So le ntombazana le yangikwazi ukuthi ngiyaphathana yabo ukuba promiscuous is nothing new like try being loyal sibone ukuthi ungasurvive lapha actually wabuthi unjani awusondela ngasendlini sponsor ngithi uyakhumbula kokugcina masifana lekho nathi so namhlanje angazi wenze njani angazi le mali 7.8 makunenjalo
Ish, man. Excuse me. Guys, don't leave. I want to tell you something important. Like, I have something important to share. Really, 837. Hi, man. Buang pasha kanjani? Hayi. Cela ukuza lapha. Woza la mthuthu. Kumahala woza. Usho uma ufuna i-address yami like ngizokutshela khona la. It's not like khona ngamele beyazi and stuff. I-460 guys, i-contact i-460 nginangazi i-360 ngiyazi i-460. Guys ngizongixoxa yazi guys hey yazi ngiyahloleleka like I'm here to tell you something ngoba ngi-live. So nje guys, can you please bear with me? La arrest khona abantwana bala arrest like aba uma ngi-live abathanda uku-screen record live yami and then yabo so like uma ngibona abantu bala arrest ngizomane ngibablock nani bantu bala arrest 720 hayi mangibona abantu bala arrest guys engingaba okay engingathi ngingabathandi mara nje kwangena umuntu ola arrest yabo nje nabo ayandondanda mara ke this one is he's harmless ngene umuntu ola arrest guys ngiyablock nothanda like uze kufike okay lapha ungaphumi ngakafika guys ngifuna ukuxoxa indaba like fast content qeda kuyenzeka manje ngoba nje benhle rimila ngithi awuthi ngigeze like ngizobatshela kahle abantu le lento eyenzekile la so nje kwenza eish ngisabonanga ukuthi ubani oqeda kungena nothanda ungitshele like ngowe umngani kaAmila yebo yimi umngani kaAmila yimi ngedwa futhi akekho omunye laba abanye nje ba fake yimi ngedwa like ama fake friends not in a bad way like umngani wakhe yimi ngiyadlala guys okay yazi guys kuyenzakaleni basho bayingena oam athi ngibona iserum yakho. Okay guys, that's going to like fast because mina kumele ngibuyele ngale WhatsApp nje kana guys umfana ngiyaza like angisho guys ngidala mangaka like obviously ngiyajona yabo okay khona mfana mangithola naye like u student uyafunda nje njengami thulani guys like manini like uyafunda njengami okay mangafunda umjidi ezenzihleva like abanye bayasaza story azezihleva achithe namantombazane ayi3 years okay sharp bese ke manje maka chithe intombazane ingitext kanje okay kube nalento le okay guys mina ku relationship i-cheating i-deal breaker wangithela nje like exoxisi like I live ngiyahamba awusangideserve so khona then lento le yenzeke manje end of August ngoba guys ngibuyele emuva nje like khona into eyenzeke ngoba namhlanje okay ke uchithila nisho okay like nami nge like sengine right musokhuluma nabanye abantu like mina ke one person othi my relationship like I focus on that one person like guys ngimumbi like angifuni ukuchitha like ngifocus kuwe uyi-one okay ngaya ku Instagram kana umfana nje because umfana nje umncane 21 khona umunye umfana I also should be studying ungahambi ungahambi guys ngitshela indaba umfana lo like beka lokho angithextela ne like Instagram from May from May nje till you kungena abantu basekhaya ngazi ke manje angazi ke yo obonke sami bonke uphume ku live like isikhuluma into serious yebo guys bengisasho ukuthi iaccounting inzima yona but then ifuna nje ifuna umuntu oserious oyimiselayo guys yazi abantu basekhaya bongwe inzima guys like inabo nje basinikeza ama textbook amangaka and imele so like every day mase campus like imele silokhu siwaphatha ngathi ngihambile mele ukuswaphatha so hey brother nkusiyami so nje kunzima guys wese sinane calculator accounting like if ungayazi calculator le ayikho nje into ozoyenza ayikho nje ayikho yabo guys inzima nje angazi nokuthi but then we said yes kuma courses esiwenzayo guys mari accounting mina ngizobhala iexam manje there's this calculator if you don't know this calculator hey awuyazi kahle accounting if accounting yakungenza ngane calculator le like you are so lucky because hey guys ngathi uhambile
not until recently I just joined the Foundation, which is the Youth Employment Services, and our biggest mandate is to
ngiyaxolisa bhuti umuhle ukukhuluma le ndaba le phambi kwakho angifuni kube ngathi angihloniphi mara ngixoxela abantu la indaba ngiyaxolisa bhuti wami guys ubhuti omdala lo ngine la
it's phenomenal.
Amo
I'm always on the road,
okay
traveling, always meeting and
mina ngabulele futhi wena cause we are like unezinto eziningi kumele uzenze kusasa okay guys like lo mfana lo Instagram yes like bekalokhu
I love my job because
anglo
to an incredible
angitextela so lo masakachise like ngase ngihamba nga Instagram ngam entertainer bengi entertainer back then ngoMay but then ngabona ukuthi no lento engenza it's wrong I should you know what like in relationship so I should not do this thing wara hayi ngathi nje ngithi hayibo ngibona yini ngaya okay sakuqala kuba Instagram amalanga elandelana maybe for a week or 6 or 5 days yabo and then some move seza ku WhatsApp
I'm a boss girl.
as for WhatsApp okay guys ke sa ngomnandi nje yabo ngomnandi lo ngapha busy yaxolisa like ufaka abantu abadala he's sorry ay futhi indaba yakhe ngisa at this point like ngisayisebenzi I told you nje masiqala ukuthi wacheat nje ithi cheating i deal break okay ke bese kuthi lo simboza mbiza ngubani nje somethi igama sithi
We're celebrating boss ladies. Up next, this next lady I'm so excited about. If you ever wanted to know how to start your own business, how to conquer the
guys ubani qeda ngena la ngizombiza ngegama lakhe
5 children as a single mother.
so thubuhle ugama lo okay usibuya and then like usibuna athi gena give me okay like can we go out wara yabo kithi mina why not like usibu guys usebenza ka health okay una 21 uyasebenza he has 2 cars like ekhaya kubo nje yabo ba ulawo ntana manje ekhaya kubo bathi makakhala bathi iye upstairs yabo ulawo ntana lapho ethi usibuna asambe siphi yabo sihambe siye main lane yes siye main lane and then masuke main lane sihambe siye
this October.
sambe siye somewhere futhi sifike like shoot it on the took pictures ngifone yakhe ngizokudinga lokho later ngifone yakhe bese siyabuya yabo like bese yangibuyisa it was nice seeing you njani bese yahamba hayi uma kusesenjalo ke like okay kumnandi mosi kumnandi uma kusesenjalo usibuna kuphele I think i1 week yabo like is right and then the following week like siphinde sidibane futhi siphinde sam and then ngelanga lesi3 after sidibane like sihambi siphumile saya kwindawo thizeni like a restaurant saphinde sabuya athi yena ish yazi Samantha, I don't know how to tell you this. I have a girlfriend, so my girlfriend just found out ngathi na. So like we can't say being cheater cause like bengakacaci like bengakacaci ukuthi kahle kuyenzakalani la. Ithi mina okay. So abuze mina ukuthi so what do we do? Ngithi mina okay, like first of all sorry man, like angazi ukuthi ngithini. Anisho nami guys nginaye like uchithile uyachitha kodwa ukhona like he's here, he's there. Ngithi mina I don't know ukuthi ngizothini kuwe, but then just fix things with your girl like thani man uyaxolisa. Ngibuza ukuthi ubanje kanjani like kwenzakaleni athi no uthatha ifone yami and then she found our pictures wara sa shooter in ngithi mina like lungisa izinto naye manje be right in yabo bese thi yawo kanjani, but let me be honest with you nawe ngiyakuthanda nje ngithi mina no you can't love me kodwa unomuntu yabo bese ngiyabona ukuthi umjoyela kabi lo umjoyela like uyangithatha ungihambise indawo mawuqeda lapho uzongitshela ukuthi intombi yakho kanjani. Ngithi mina kuye like nje like siyakukhuluma for a day guys, yeah, a day. Lo angapha wafaka abantu abadala like from his side of the family ukuthi like cala bakhulume nami, he knows ukuthi uyenza mistake guys. Ikhona mistake like yokulala namantombazane ay3 for 4 months. For 4 months, like when you amantombazane for 4 months and then like you're coming back to me, you're telling me ukuthi you made a mistake. Ikhona mistake enjalo nithi okay angisho lo uthi kimi Samantha please nalo omunye uthi yena he still loves me wara it's okay yazini ne plan manje like uthi ngizoyenza njani ngabathatha boyithu ngathi kulo like bekubuye like from the word go ngithi kuye okay like it's fine, I forgive you. Angeke like into eso ingaphinde yenzeke if iphinda and then like nje vele it's try for real like ngiyakuyeka uyaphuma ke nami ngiyaphuma kuwe nje asathi oh ngiyabonga but then nje ngifila ngathi man wena uzongenzela irevenge njani kithi mina no I won't do that man like kube kuthiwa lezinto lezi ama revenge man angithandi man ish benge like bengizovele ngikuyeke if I was planning on doing something like ngibuyela kuwe because I still love you njani ngisho ku original aso ngalo ongapha athi yena phela uyacela ngithi mina kuye oh so wena ngamanye amazwi like uthi mina like mina meaning understand ukuthi wena une girlfriend okay but then it's fine we'll do our thing when I just make sure ukuthi your girlfriend doesn't find out niyezwa sharp bayithu manje originally nalo omunye ngithi like ngimtshela ukuthi nje just make sure ukuthi nje akatholi man like ngiyazi ukufind out like akukho mnandi kubuhlungu in amafana bacabanga kafishana bafana umfana mafuna umhetha guys ngametha buzani la zalini ngami okay khamba malanga siyakhuluma like naboyithu akekho noyiwani ngibonayo kumbe like uma bethi how ngiyazi hey guys ngiza ama excuses nje ngithi hayi guys ngibusy okay bese ke lo oka Instagram abese like ngiboni imessage yakhe buyaka Instagram angitshela ukuthi no like I profile picture yakhe ya WhatsApp like yavele yasuka like yangasavela nje like then saka Instagram ngambuza ukuthi like ka Instagram besikhuluma naka WhatsApp sikhuluma but then ka Instagram like besendelana ama reels only and then sizokhuluma ngale WhatsApp bese ngiyambuza ke ukuthi how kwenzakalani ku WhatsApp like I can no longer see I profile picture and then athi oh yes I girlfriend yami thathile phone yami block and then deleted your numbers, so that's why like ungasangiboni, but then sizoqhubeka sikhulume la. Ngithi mina kuye okay, girlfriend yakhe islima, ngisho njalo kuphela. Ngithi girlfriend yakhe islima cause wayangiblocker. Ungblokelani? Awungishi like awungengani kube yimi. Amo you've been there. Like ungblokelani awungengani kube yimi. Ngithi girlfriend yakhe islima athi why ngisho njalo ngithi because like ungblockile efonini ne. Like unblockile ku WhatsApp, here you are on Instagram talking to me like nje like akacabanga ukuthi wena mawuyifuna lentombazane le uzovele uyikhulume naye. Athi no, ushilo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi if vele ngifuna ngempela like ngizobuyela kuwe kanjani, and then like if I find out ukuthi mina nawe like ngikaniblockile saqhubeka sakhuluma uyangishiya kanjani. Ngithi mina kuye man ungang-unblock WhatsApp, like just let it be wena soqhubeka sikhulume la ka Instagram. Ngithi but make sure you don't get caught. Nalo munye like nje naye like angisakhulumi, he just calls mangifanele isikhathi leso. Ngithi nje mina busy, like I'm doing something. Like I'm doing something, I will call you. Yabo. I say, oh no, okay, it's fine. TikTok. So kuyenzeka ke guys ukuthi this one time lo wamampela hi ntando njani lo wamampela like ngimfonele bengimcuphile guys, ngimfonele angaphenduli ifone. Okay, like ngamfonela ngabo 5. Okay, ngamyeka like ngiyabona ukuthi okay, he's not taking my calls. Okay, abuye kimi ngabo 6 angitshela ukuthi hi Samantha, like angifonele ngephone call athi angikhe rest, like ngisaphumile nabajidabo, like angikhombise vele like amajid. Ngithi mina no, it's fine, then sizokhuluma mama usibuyele endlini. Athi yena okay sharp yabo. Ngikhuluma lo Instagram, ngikhuluma bese kuthi ngabo 11 ebusuku ngiyabona manje ukuthi hayi lo relaxe kakhulu, and uyakhohlwa ukuthi usiyashaya. Ngithi mina lo relax kakhulu and uyakhohlwa ukuthi uchithile phela, like imele like abo uhlale ngathi umile man, like anything can happen. Samele ungincenge ukuthi ngithithelile amantombazana nje hayi. Ngimfonele ngo11, like angisigcina ukukhuluma ngo6 asizokhuluma afike endlini. Ngimfonele ngo11 ifone ithi calling ku WhatsApp. Ngimfonele ngekho straight ifone ithi ringing angayibambi. Ngimtextele angarespond, and then I think about maybe 30 minutes later abuye yena bo angifonele. Itsole nje ifone ngayibambi yabo. Mangayibambi kunjalo mina guys like ama contacts am ayazi like ku WhatsApp ngiyaposta ngiyadilisa ngipost status mina yabo, like ngikhohlwa ukuthi ungifonelele like azange ngibambe phone. So uma sengipost status after ngifonelile like uzothi hi Samantha yabo, ngasipost status ngakhohlwa. Ubona kuseni sekathi no wena ngiyakufonela awuyiphenduli ifoni kanjani yena musibaroko kanjani guys. Athi wena ngiyakufonela ifoni awuyibambi. Ngithi mina no, like bese ngilele hey Samantha uqale wena ukulala kuseyosha wo12 futhi unamanga upost status after like ngiyahleka uthi athi kumina mongasangifuni like ngitshela ungangenzeli favor. Ngihleke mina ngithi hayibo ukhuluma ngani, athi buku yesine kungenza islima. Hayi ngahleka kakhulu, hayi ngayimosha lapho lapho bafethu. Okay, like vele ke like saqabana vele into esirious abo. We stopped talking for about a good 4 days. Elanga lesi5 manje early October siyahamba mina like nabangani bami siyaphuma name. uma ngena the day before lokho athi like aposte ku status yena athi yena ngena nokuthi mina ngine girlfriend ngikuzwa ngani kanjani yabo izinto ziyenzeka emhlabeni kaNkulunkulu athi nokuthi mina ngine girlfriend ngikuzwa ngani okay like ngiyibona lento leyo ngithule bese futhi aphinde aphinda poste status esithi ngena ngiyaxolisa ukuphithizela guys ngitshele ngathi uma ngibona abantu bala rest bangena la like ngizoba block abantu bala rest angibafuni basekani baya screen recorder umuntu maka live so nje ngizomane ngithi phone labo please bear with me Kim bengamele nibone like bengamele nisizwe screenshot lesiya okay ngicine guys I post ukuthi ngena yaxolisa ukuphithizela kanjani yabo cala bembuseleli sinabantu abasingile warawara ngithule futhi like ngingasho lutho like ayikho into engizoyenza ngithule ngisho ukuthi uyamjwayela lo bese hayi like nginabantu bangibatarget like ngiyabazi labo ngimele ngibablock ngiyabazi yabo ngifuna ukubablock ngizobablock now like most la rest abantu nje mawungathi uzibani bana kangisesh hayi ukuthi umuntu manje ngiblocker ngoba ngingamthandi no like la rest ngengezwe indaba ukuthi abangiscreen recordile ngilive so like nje ngiyaziprotect yabo okay ngcinephi guys
Genesis proved its extraordinary power over 17 years, introducing the new Genesis Hybrid Extreme 2, the European manufacturer.
Angikudle ku status nyem. Bese ngiyabona ngithi cha yazi la ngiyadeleleka. Yabo la esanginyanyisa okokuqala yabo like into engayifuni le ukuthi bangiscreen kodwa bayethi hey wena wathi ku live wathi like semele ngichaze manje ngoba umuntu ngabe uvele wangena ku live valalela ukuthi ngithini wapho ungiscreen recordelani ngoba uma ufuna umngane wakho angize like ngifonele uthi hey ngena ku live yazibani uma block like fake account guys ikhona like ungiscreen recordelani. Okay baby ubuye mhlawumbe ngizobe ngingasekhoda ngo12 because ngiyahamba manje WhatsApp khona umuntu ongilindile ku WhatsApp angazi nje mayikhona la yezwa lento mayizwa shuthi sorry okay aphinde ngibana aposte lo njalo sakhuluma lo ngempela lo munye like hayi ku right nje konke ku right athi before ngifike kulo waka Instagram like angibuza ukuthi hey Samantha like I like ayikho into oyenzile ayingeke ngifunde mina guys exam ngiqala late kabi ngeke ngiyaxolisa it's like ayikho into oyenzayo like are you not cheating whatever ngithi mina no I will never cheat on you like angikhona ujwayela abafana bawuthuna angikhona ujwayela abafana bawuthuna nje yabo athi hayi okay he knew I was lying okay bese lo aposte ku status aphinda ngigudle athi ngena like there's this song that was trending on TikTok ethi usungazibulalela uthando yabo aposte leyo athi usungazibulalele intombazane engafuni ukulala nawo usho kimi guys ngitshelela ngisho ukuthi makafuna ngibona like bengihlezi ngithi hayi nyezani so like kwamcacela ukuthi hello akafuni next like udibanisa nami yabo ngabona ukuthi hayi yabo ukugudla manje ngathi seqala ukuba strong. Okay, status leso wasiposta ngayizolo ebusuku mara mina ngasibona kusasa ngilanga la sihamba khona nabangani bami siphuma. Okay, masiphuma nabangani bami bangiphi imali plus yabo kuyingena imali like because bangasho ngale ngangishilo ngayizolo emntweni ukuthi no like my friends and I are going out yabo and then athi okay like mase nihamba ke ungitshele like ngizonikeza imali yokuthi ngihambe. Okay ngamtshela yangena imali ngi-screenshot ngoposta ku status ngathi usungaze uyibulalele umfana wenzeni ungaveli ku bank statement yakho like ongakuphi ngisho ichepisi ngaposta le nto leyo ngacisha igama ukuthi ibuya kubani yabo wabona wathula wangasho lutho ngathi chocho it was for you and wenzeka kahle wa view Okay guys, sahamba nabangani bami enjoy. Angisho sithule guys like asikhuluma. Lo like ku WhatsApp wami like bayamazi lo original like abamazi fake. Bese kuthi uma ethule kanjalo like ufake ngimane ngiyamveza ku WhatsApp. Yabo amuna inamba yami. Ufake lo ku status we fake manje. Like you look ngumveza like unabo bud bakhe abaningi ngibahide bonke guys ngibahide bonke ngishela bengifuna ukubashiya yabo nje uMichelle bayangena cishe uMichelle bayasho nje ukuthi kwenzakala into esesentombazane cause ngomposta 5 minutes ngiphinde ngimdelete yabo okay sharp mara abantu like basa confused ukuthi and then like posta i-video yakhe nalo uphi lo original like azange memezele obviously ukuthi umbani ya cheat okay fast forward guys nje kuyenzakala izinto ezenzakalayo bese kuthi bese kuthi manje qala uOctober umjida aposte isithombe sakhe nalentombazane liya intombazane guys ngisho mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngathi kusona intombazane yangitshela ukuthi hayi mina imhlwane neboyfriend yawo like iboyfriend yawo ngifunani kanje yabo like upost isithombe sakhe nalentombazane le yangitext like bahlala bonke upost isithombe sakhe like birthday yayo njani ngiyasho ukuthi ngijwayela kabi lo ene akazi ukuthi mina manje ngathi ngiyaposta manje la uzonya hayi guys aqhubeke baposte yabo like alokho post oh guys intombazane ngikhohle ukuntshela intombazane le yangitext yathi mina like iboyfriend like angaze ngayidelete inamba yayo ngisasenayo uyabuka idatha za girl hayibo kusekhaya musla kumnandi kwedatha zomfana hayibo bukumnandi babuyelene it's either babuyelene noma bakaze bahlukane like bekulokho kwenziwa mina isilimo elebele kuthiwa hayi le ntombazane iyahlanya nje lena le ntombazane i-childish wara kusho lo and usebuyele kuyo intombazane le i-childish kithi sharp vele ngithi mina yazi ngiyenzeni angisho ngiyasho ukuthi like abo Michelle nabo noRhone nawe uyangena like bangangifakazela bona babona everything and then if family like yalo mfana lo original like bengiba exclude ngavele umndeni wami guys awuyibona idatha somjolo like bahlezi nje behind uma ngiphosa izinto ezibheke eceleni ababoni how shooting yiyo phela shooting like ayikho into nje ngavele nje okay okay yo Michelle usiya okay bani okay yeah mara uhlala mphile because bengimseve okay manje like okay lo upost isithombe sakhe ni Michelle ufikelele sisishem ufikelele amuzo update guys lo uSibu simshintshile igama sethe uSibu nguye lo post isithombe sakhe nentombi yakhe like ngifuna ukumkhombisa mina ukuthi hayi wena ngenziwa kanje like you won't cheat on me bese uzo izinto ezifana posta nje yabo Michelle le story guys status sami khona isithombe ngisipostile manje ku status hayi wena mapula hayi wena besikhona isithombe ngisiposte ku status ngavele ngaposta sona anangabahida bonke labafana bakuba bathanda ukuthi sazwena makoti skoni ngangabahide and then ngangabahide hayi bakhomenta man athi hayibo senenza njena Samantha oyi1 mathi hayibo Samantha senenza kanje egoli ngiyambuza mina ukuthi hayibo kanti egoli masifuna ukenza izinto like sibhalisa kuwe yini yebo ngaposta sona ngize ngisa like bemazi umsizi kamfowabo formal like ngaposta leso ngisiposte manje okay wathi omunye senenza kanjena egoli ngiyambuza mina ukuthi hayibo kanti mase izinto egoli sibhalisa kuwe yini yabone yeah kanti hey guys manini ngathi ba WhatsApp nje khona abayenza Okay. Ngaposta son. Angize ngene enkingeni like abasasinga impilo yami yabo like nje fuck them yabo. Okay, ngaposta son and then like baba like hey like bahamba bawutshela omunye like bafonela omunye umngani wami ngizothi bebeventa cause yini into ababenza bethi hey uSamantha thatha abafana bamapolo usihamba ngamapolo kanje ngiyasho nje mina ukuthi ba right lento engifuna bayibona guys ngale Instagram like izinto ze right news. Okay, like vele ke khambe like umfana lo original like lokho aposta lentombazane lebe yanjithana like iyangicasula lento ayenza ungagcina ngimblocka ngasho intombazane ngamblock yena ngasho intombazane yabo ngasho intombazane like akabona next athi na uSamantha umblockile nje vele boyfriend yakhe ithe yathi okay kwaphela ke guys like kwaphela so kwaphela guys like kwaphela ngithi ngamblocker akazange like azama ukungiconvince otherwise cause uyazi ukuthi mina abafala amaphola ngisho and then like look ngiyapost every day ngipost isithombe sisha bangasazi every day ngimblockile yena ubhuti bakhe bayabona bemkhombisa izisha kakhulu like mabethi hayibo sibonile le-status sabantu uthi uya wena ublockiwe and ugel like she's living her life yabo then ubhuti wakho yi-1 I just think he deleted my numbers because it is like angisayiboni nezami idatha akasayivisho siminyayise lento le mara ngenkathi umfana kubo excuse me enza lezi zinto bekazenza like bekangasho lutho bekumchaza mase kuyimi like yabo like sithola abangcono abaza ngikhumbuza ngaphinde futhi ngaposta enye video like ngisemotweni kuyiphola ukuthi sethola abangcono seyithandela imoto naleyo yasusa umsindo athiwa bafana bamapholo miyekeni bazomkhombisa ngathi ngifuna ukubona vele hayi guys ke kwaphela vele bese kuthi ke last week angisho Instagram like bese ngikhuluma naye kuphela naye nje uyanginyanyisa like nokuthula hey sasela no Instagram ke Instagram like siyakhuluma uhlala ngisendele izithombe zakhe guys lethombe zonke lethombe zomuntu lezi ngiyipostayo nje kulaba WhatsApp nami like ezakho uyangisendela futhi Instagram aphinde i-girlfriend yakhe like iphinde imthole futhi ukuthi ungiblockile ku-WhatsApp but then yena usaqhubeka ukukhuluma nami yabo intombi yakhe imblock ku-Instagram intombi yakhe ngimemblock e-Instagram okay thuleke azange ngibone nokubona mina aphinda ngi-unblock yena aphinda ngi-unblock bese eyangifonela uyahleka nami ngiyahleka ngithi yini athi mfethu mina ngazi manje sengizoyenza njani like into like lo sisi lo okay like uma uthanda ukuthi intombazane le mara ithi ngihloniphe mina because she's not my friend yabo like umdala nakimi akekho mdala fusho unabo 20 bani usifosho lo sisi lona athi le ntombazane le iphinde yakuthola la ku Instagram wami saxabana yaphinda athatha ifoni yaphinda akublock ngiyabuza mina ngithi mfethu wena slow lane like uyangithithizela ngakutshela ngathi mina mawukhuluma nami like khuluma nami yabona mhla siyakhuluma delete ama chat like mawazi ukuthi uzoba naye like just delete everything for ipeace yakhe like angifuni ukuthi abantu okutraumatizele lokho akukhuza ngentombazane lokhubuya lokho akukhuza ngentombazane yabo bese ke athi yena sengiyambuza ukuthi like kwenzeka kanjani athi no like intombazane kungena imessage ka Instagram from one of his friends and intombazane yathi cela ungiboleke ifoni I wanna check something like athi yena man bekanganakanga amnikeza ifoni yakhe ayithatha ifoni uthi nje like uya drive yena uzwa ngentombazane isithi lo Samantha waka WhatsApp ngahleka mina uthi naye wahleka wathi hayibo Samantha udayisa lezi lento edufuna ukuyicheckani etime usungenza islima like ngakukhuza ngale ntombazane lena like why kanti lokhu buyela kuyo ufuna ukulungisa izinto nayo athi yena ngithi mina wathini wena athi yena hayi nje ngimtshelela ukuthi hayi nje like sesiyakhuluma like akusenzeki next athi untombazane like yathi no ngiblocker okugcina manje kanje like ngiblocker okugcina kanjani like waphinda nje lokhu uqhubana like angiyithandi lento yenzayo kanjani ngithi nje into yakhe isilimi ngiphinde ngabe into yakhe isilimi yabo nje awihloniphi like iyakujwayeza ukuthi uzolokhu ichithela uzolokhu ucheat ibuyela ngithi mina mangathola ukuthi unblockile manje uzothini uthi no like it's so easy like ngizovele ngithi ngiyaxolisa abe right yabo abafana bamadodeni athi nje ngizovele ngithi ngiyaxolisa hayi ngimncenge ngithengele imbali abe rasikaje uthi njalo ungubani na abafana labo abafana bithi mina awena musu ukukhuluma nje like ngenye intombazane ngikhona like no nami ngintombazane ena ngingathanda ahleke athi musu ngikhuluma into engizoyenza ngibuzile yabo asathi uzomncenga ase ngithi mina kuyena mara bona nje mina nginothisa ukuthi bengiblock but then it's fine like you and I can stop talking yabo ase athi yena no like singayeke ukukhuluma but then mina yimi ozotexta wena qala ngithi mina angizwa kunjani khuluma futhi ahleke aphinde ethi no like ngiyacela like angazi nje like wena Samantha kahle ufuna ukumosha relationship yami ngithi musu ungihlanyela wena nawe relationship yami uyimoshile athi ngoba mina ngimoshe yakho mind you like a relationship yami ayimoshile nje relationship izimoshela yona like akahlangene ebengaziwa nokwaziwa ukuthi ukhona ngithi mina ethi yena like usufuna ukumosha nami ngithi mina uma ngifuna ukumosha relationship ngabe kudala ngayimosha ngabe ngakufaka TikTok ngathi nje boyfriend yami ngakuveza ubuso bakwazi intombi yakhe ibizohlanya ngoba ihlanya nje manje ngingazi sihlele lokho ke yabo like and then athi yena mara Samantha ngiyacela man on serious note nje ngicela ukuthi yabo like ungangitext because bakublockile mina ngiyakunblocka kanjani ngize ngiyabuza nokuthi kanti ngile ngifuna kangaka kuwe ngiyakuthanda ngithi mina ngitshela ukuthi yebo uyangithanda ngeke phela lokho uyangiblock like that has to mean something I said hi man ngiyacela yabo ngithi mina no it's fine like into efuna sizoyenza ngeke ngitext like ngizondawena ungitext athi yo okay ngiyabonga ke hayi ulale kahle kanje futhi naSamantha wena ngiyazi ukuthi boyfriend unayo kanjani ngithi mina why uthi ne boyfriend akwazela ukuthi ne boyfriend athi hayi this other time ngathi ngicela like ulethi life na ngifuna ukubona something wena wanqaba ngithi nganqaba because ngafuna ukukhombisa ukuthi mina ngitshela umfana ukuthi ngenzeni like ngeke nje ethi okay ngiyakuzwa it's fine mara manje ngicela ukutshela ukuthi wenzeni like ngiyakutextanga ngiyasho ngithi ngicela ukuthi angijwayela lo ngiyangijwayela adropa guys like isivalisane adrop ifone yabo bese immediately maqeda ukudrop ngathatha ifone yami angisho ungiblockile yena ngale ku WhatsApp ngathatha ifone yami ngamblocker because uyangijwayela mawuthi yena kumina like mina ngakufoneli wozofuna mina ungenza ngathi mina man desperate for a boyfriend any boyfriend nala nje ubani by 48 like ngavuka nge5 la khona la yabo ngamblocker sahlala sangakhuluma manje ngoba into engenza ukuthi ngibe live ngithola iphone call like angisho ngami zakhe ngisideleteile ngenkathi ngimblock like ngidelete konke ngithola iphone call enambeni engayazi okay ngiphendula ifone ngiphendula ifone hawuye guys uye Instagram guys siyakhuluma kahle angibuza ukuthi hayi why ngimblockile ngithi mina hayi uyadelela wena man like awungenza ngathi ngiyadinga nje angikudingi you are there ngoba uavailable so hayi ukuthi ngoba nakho nje ngidesperate no it's not that athi okay can you please put that thing aside okay like manje like can we can you start our relationship all over again? Like yekile ntombazane leyana, like she was starting to be toxic. Samantha this, Samantha that in yabo. So like, can we please, like, I wanna make you my main girlfriend, like in J. No cheating, like who umbuza mina ukuthi ima like uwe oye intombazane noma intombazane eyeke wena athi yena like sibe ne agreement yokuthi kena ebhuda ukahle nje awukahle sibe ne agreement ukuthi no like cause ayisebenzi uSamantha uhlezi akhona kanjena nakasangithembi njani so like savumelana ukuthi okay like asiyeke ngithi mina okay like ngimlalele guys ngimlalele like ngifuna ukuba sho ukuthi bahlukene le ntombazane yabo like athi no like I can even show you ukuthi sihlukene kanje athi ngithi mina no like ithi ngiboya yabo and then angifonele nge-FaceTime like nge-FaceTime I share screen like okay guys ngibone vele ukuthi hayi vele bahlukene and then like lento le into ya 3 days ago 3 days ago bahlukene nje like bahlukene for real ngasho mina ngithi sufuna ukuba serious manje like are you sure ukuthi you wanna settle down like you won't do these funny things yabo asathina yo like I am sure ifuna focus kuwena like uwe manje like uwe ngathi mina ke ayike but unfortunately like angekho available for wena like angeke ngize ngikhona athi yena no like Samantha why is njalo ngithi usile wena like ucabanga ukuthi wena lento boyenza nami like uyenza girlfriend yakho yini ezokuvimba ukuthi uyenze kimi wese mina bengazi ukuthi ikhona girlfriend yakho bengazi like uyenze ngingazi ukuthi okay unomuntu like girlfriend yakho uma ingiblock like ubuye uzohleka nami sihleke soyi2 like ucabanga like nawucanthi mina ngizothi okay like no lasibe serious kanje ngathi nje buti no ngiyabonga angikufuni wathi hawu kanje ngithi never angikufuni ngithi ngiyakubona nje like umuhle ngempela like you yabo nebody man financial stable kodwa cha wesumncane uyingane nje kodwa cha ngiyabonga angikufuni hamba asathi no Samantha like wrong cause mina girlfriend yami ingidampile ngenxa yakho njani ngithi mina no it's fine nami ngakutshela the last time sikhuluma ukuthi nami i-relationship yami uyiqedile so I don't know i-relationship yakhe iphele she's like very weak nje intombazane beyingasakhoni ukulo ncane le yabo like guys ngiminyaka like kuma early 20s yakhe like imncane ngithi mina hamba but uzomthola nje omunye like thina sibeke eceleni intombazane ukuthi like ibesikhona mina nje futhi mina ngize ngathi mina no like if usumtholile omunye ungabuya futhi siqhubele sagcina khona I don't mind mara ukuthi uzothatha mina ungenze imini wathatha never but angikufuni nje ngabe ngifuna ukukhala usuku nemini ngathi nje ngiyabonga I am angazi nje like I'm good ngawe angifuni wazama like athi mara why then ngilokhu ngimbuza ukuthi yena girlfriend yakhe like bahlukene ngempela hani what was my aim in doing that ngiyamtshela ukuthi no like bengifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi ngoba ngizothi kuwe manje like ngizokutshela ukuthi nami ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi like intombazane le nihlukene sho khona mina mangizothi hayi bona bhuti
lapho nalapho ngoba bengazi ukuthi
madleke
bese ngiyiphambanisile dlozinzini kanje
hi guys sorry like ngibona umuntu engimthandayo la ka TikTok like ngiyamangala ukuthi hebo ungene nini la ngikhuluma izinto ezinje favorite TikTok yami TikTok wonke. Okay guys, sesiphelile story. Ngithi bengifuna ukumtshela ukuthi nje how bakithi lo mkhwepha womfana ngintshela ukuthi wangenzani. Madleka mfethu. Yo ngize ngajabula angibuza ukuthi like why bengilokho ngimbuza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi bengifuna ukwenza show le ntombazane vele engihlukene nayo. Khona manje ngithi nama ngikufuna ungeke ukhona ukureverse ubuyele kuyo. So like guys amantombazane like sicabanga kancane ngabuyela kodwa nje mina ngimtshelile ukuthi hayi ngikufuna. Guys iphelile indaba. Abe slow learn. Ubani akasi nina ngicabanga ukuthi like nini hlakaniphile man. Hayi abafana. Slow learn. Ucabanga ukuthi nje mina bengizothi no it's fine because akasekho. Yey never mfana ochithayo akahambi ungachitha ngazi kodwa nje ngazi khohla boy khohla. So manje nje guys ngiyipholele ngisoshabeni how madleka mfethu yazi namanje angikhola ngathi ngiyaphupha guys ngiyaxolisa kodwa nje ngijabulile iphelile guys indaba. Ngifuna ngixoxe ukuthi hey nangi ngifuna ukungiphinda yebo yabo like ubethampeni then besikafuna ukubuya kimi ngoba guys abafana guys ngiyakhohlwa ukucheat. Mina ngeke ngikwenze guys senginamanga like okay like mangakwenza manje ngaqala manje nje ngathi ngakuphinda times 100 it's fine mina ngizomphinda times 1000 like nje mina yakho mfana nomphindisa serious yabo nje khona kuyabhora ifoni nami guys ifoni nami ithule guys kuthulekile ngiyahamba nje 4 hours uma ngibuya kuthulekile ngisho yes wasingikunzima but then guys ningabe singilina chithana one boyfriend manje akayitholela umsizi guys bafana bayastelela. So iphelile guys indaba and guys ngintshele like abantu bayathanda like engihlala nabo la bayathanda ukuthi nathi amantaweni uya overshare ku TikTok like ukhuluma indaba zakho kanjani guys ngirong ukuze ngisengixoxela indaba ngirong because ngabe ngenza ama story times manje angikhona ukwenza ama story times because I have my family members la on TikTok and I have to respect them badala like I have to respect them yabo angeke ngikhona ukuzenzela umathanda. Okay ngingazenzela mangifuna like TikTok yami le but then ukuhlonipha abantu abadala guys umamami uyawabona ama videos so like I can't be posting izinto ezinjalo yabo. So ku right ngiba live yabo ngalesikhathi lesi ngiyazi ukuthi umama nje ulele angazi ke maye ngalela angazi kodwa nje ulele plus usekhaya izolo idatha right lasebusuku so kuthiwa ngiyani oversharela like ngikhuluma indaba zami niyazazi ngiyasho ukuthi guys I tell them ngoba ngifuna bazi bese bethi ya mara abantu ba TikTok abanendaba nawe kanjani ngisho ukuthi it's fine mara bangilalela nakho like guys by 20 like ningilalela ukuthi nizothini guys niyangithanda banamanga like bafuna ukuthi nginiyeke nje banamanga how bemikhwepha le bafana kuhlezi kungabafana bachithayo until kufuneka iDNA hayi akintombazane nje mase kuchithele yeza kuframe ukuthi ingane yakho isuke sikulaya because nisele nina mina gazi ngendlela abangithe ngale cheating sengiyisupport especially from girls like namantombazane engihlala nawo like ngiyaba encourage ukuthi guys don't forget to cheat like ngithanda umuntu wakho but then ukhumbule ukuthi ukhona omunye ongamazi wena so like it's uthola ukuthi ukhona omunye ube like nami kodwa ngichithile and wenze sure ukuthi like uma ukuthi uyathola ukuthi ibe ucheater like ungalokho like unrabhele ukuthi ya nambe ngikuchithele like girl be chill like ithi ngoma yatos tetelikas madedela umzimba like nje chill calm down ufaka abantu abarong guys le emhlabeni nje le emhlabeni abekho abantu abarong undlula abafana So uhlale wazi ngoba uthi ngenza abantu babe wrong wena u2 times futhi u5 times worse. So ngixolele guys story like lothando sisabuya sengiqedile indaba awu cha sisuphuthelwe you iphelele indaba ngimtshelile uthe ufuna ukubuya ngathi nje never hayi kumina hayi kimi hamba nemikhwepha yakho hamba like guys yazi mani ngambona ukuthi nje like angeke ngize ngikhona ukukhomisa phela kodwa nje uma ngambona like guys ngingasho ukuthi kodwa Samantha yini into yenzayo kodwa for ipeace yami guys like angifuni ukukhala umuntu ebuye ezotshela intombi yakhe ukuthi nje hey like ngizothi ngiyaxolisa ngizomthengela imbali ngizomthengela imbali ngithi ngiyaxolisa uzongixolela nami ngingaxola bengithengela imbali bexolisa ngeimbali awu guys awu njengobani kumbulani phela abanye benu live like ama boyfriend nawe nenze luthala nani kuphela nje awanithengela ima gifts awanisi ma dates namhlanje so mawusungithengela imba like ungenzi utho mani emhlabeni how kanti plan guys abafana abakhohlakele they are so evil lazi bengaqeda ukugxilisa la they are so evil those evil motherfuckers lento le like ngi-understand ukuthi wayengashine because njalo ebusuku uma ngilala ngigcobisa iyashine noma lo sengifaka ifilter ngitshela-ke guys iphelile indaba phelile nje like ayisekho kunye engizokuxoxa ngaphandle ningibuze nina ngifuna ukunitshela lokho ukuthi hayibo la ngilowethu okay like cela ukufocus manje ngihlangene focus kuba like izindaba iphelile like baba yini manje awukahle nala mthuthu nini 460 cha uyayifuna bozo yazizoyithola la for sure man ngena ku TikTok I'm like ebona ki mosquito khona la for sure la ngayenza khona hayi Jude ungene nini yena la ngaze ngikhuluma indaba ezingane guys sorry ni mosquito la that's why ngicima igesi guys shame yazi ngisago ukuthi lo mfana lo original guys ubila kule ntombazane le ayibiza ngesilima yazi le ntombazane leyana umkwena guys imbabhayi yabo manje ibhabhayini ngempela nje indaba I'm so happy nje ukuthi ngendaba siphelile guys ngintshela ngifuna ngintshela yona like abanemibuzo bengangibuza for like manje isikhathi kusele 3 minutes kushaw 12 like ningangibuza ngo12 ngiyahamba hey nana hey BT how are you seyiphelile indaba ngiyabonga ukuthi nilalelile guys ayisekho into engizoyixoxa uma ngine update ngizobuya ngizonixoxela ukuthi please speak English. Ngeke English ngalesikhathi. Ngeke guys, ngeke. Kusebusuku ukuthi singakhuluma isingisi.
So ke mama ngicela ukuza
sele 2 minutes guys ukuthi ngihambe like ningangibuza. Ngale day ngixoxela yona noma ngezinye izinto nje like engifuna ukungibuza zona.
ngihamba naye ngafika abafana bamshaya.
Ngiyakufuna bathi lotshela ngezingakhe izini.
Lapho nje. Sangiziphinde sibone thuthu.
Guys angingame ngomshado. Sajola like awusho ngani ukuthi like ucelilo like wayungathi nje ngiyakufuna ngicela ukukhokhela 100,000 noma 500 ukuze ngithole inamba yakho like wayungasho njalo ngizokunikeza like le khuluma ngayo nje manje sekudeni kabi ukuthi ngenzeka khuluma ngento yabo efast nje ukuthi ngiyakufuna like 500 u right in ukuthi ngikufakele bese ngithole inamba yakho jola khona like focus nje khona umuntu akajole la abona ko right ukuthi ajole khona ngitshela guys azibakhona abantu baka WhatsApp bazothi like wona ama friends abazophinde bethi yeah bewulive ahoruma indaba
Bemeza whatever, bemeza bemthatha. I was there. I witnessed everything.
uthi ngoba
They were
nongitextile
beating him
guys
for nothing. The ambulance took him. Yahamba naye. But azaniphelele.
kanti nothing exciting guys impapa yini ke manje like seku 59 angisangibuza imibuzo ngiyabonga ukuthi ningabili next time guys ngicela nazi like ngicela nazi ukuthi mina mangilive yebo ngiyabhoreka khona ukubhoreka live will end in 5 minutes athi ngiye cause vele sengiyahamba uma like ngicela nazi ukuthi guys mina mangiba live like guys ngiyabhoreka khona ukubhoreka kodwa mangiba live ngisuke nginento engifuna ngixoxela yona ngisuke nginento engizonitshela ene showcase ngomjolo so like nje guys mangilive cause naye ngenza i-story time ngitshelile like into engeke ezongenza ukuthi ngingazenzi abazali so yeah I'm able to verify baba yini ke guys nilaleni kahle mantombazane enikhona la ningakhodla ukucheata don't forget to cheat umuntu umtholela umsizo oyedwa noma abawu2 like umsizi nje like azothi maseka phethe princess yabo bese unakangale so girls nilale kahle disappointments ngathi sukubeni bungaba disappointment njengani baba yini guys baba yini